In the US market, you absolutely have to engage with social media. It is not going away. Even if you don't ever say anything, you absolutely have to be listening and monitoring. So check in on your social media front. Blogging, also just as important as it was when it started 10 plus years ago. Get your opinions out there, even if you have to outsource it to expert writers who can get in your brain and make it an SEO optimized blog, critical for your thought leadership. And finally, video. Important part of search engine optimization and a great way to humanize your brand and personalize your message.
India actually has not been affected by the global financial meltdown or whatever you may call it, but it has had a few blips out of it from a regulatory perspective, with the regulation being a lot more tightened up. Just remember, if you're looking at the Indian financial services market, it's a big boys play, with all of them there and using full muscle in terms of marketing, PR and everything else. So don't expect to have a voice in the market without you also spending to match that big muscle or big budgets of these big boys. The second is that crisis communication is a key element, and you need to have it in your scheme of things when you're looking at the Indian market. And the last is, it's very, very centric in a couple of cities in India and the big media. So your media focus also becomes extremely strategic and targeted.